Explore the best outdoor cat enclosures that let your cat safely experience the outdoors. These enclosures are designed to give your cat freedom while protecting them from potential dangers like traffic, wildlife, and getting lost. Ideal for gardens, patios, or balconies, outdoor cat enclosures come in various sizes and styles to suit any space. Give your cat a safe outdoor adventure with these top-rated enclosures that prioritize both fun and security. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kitty City Large Cat Playpen. Among modular cat pens, the Kitty City Large Cat Playpen is the best. Your cats and you may decide on the finest arrangement for this roomy playpen. Both inside and outdoor use are made possible by its sturdy fabric walls and convenient zipper system. Fun with fresh air. With its nylon mesh construction, this fully enclosed playhouse lets in fresh air and provides a clear view of your pets playing both indoors and out. Additionally, the mesh can tolerate rough play and the odd claw climb because it is strong. Spots to hide and snooze. The cubby cubes that come with the structure may be rearranged inside, so you can keep your cats interested by changing things up over time. Each is the ideal place to relax and escape the bustle. Easy access. The Mega Kit has a side zip door that makes it simple to enter, which is useful if your cat is curled up and refuses to come out for food. Number 2. Petville Catio. Outdoor Cat Enclosure. Perfect for exploring the outdoors safely is the Petville Catio Outdoor Cat Enclosure. With its roomy design and mesh, it lets in fresh air while protecting your pets. Your cat's playtime can be more versatile with the Catio's easy setup and ability to be connected to existing structures. Large, multi-cat sharing space. With its spacious interior, this cat house can house 2 to 5 cats. It offers a large and safe playground for your cats to play freely both indoors and out thanks to its strong timber frame reinforced with galvanized wire mesh. Several levels of design, gratifying the want to climb. 5 platforms, 2 cat resting boxes, and a bonus 2-in-1 cat scratching post and cat teaser toy in this 7-tier cat house. In order to satisfy each furry friend's own tastes, this design offers a range of activities, such as rubbing and scratching, to satisfy cats' innate climbing and scratching impulses. Number 3. PetsFit Outdoor Cat Shelter. A large catio that can easily hold several cats is the PetsFit Outdoor Cat Shelter. It has a distinctive shape that lets your cat unwind in comfort and is made of durable wood and waterproof material. Your pet's safety while exploring the outdoors is guaranteed by the escape-proof design. Unique triangular design. This weatherproof outdoor cat home is 20 inches L by 20 inches W by 23 inches H. Its unique triangular form gives your patio or garden a stylish touch. The distinctive design makes a statement and offers your kitty companion a comfortable haven. Windproof and waterproof. In addition to having an escape door, our outdoor cat housing has an asphalt roof, PVC curtains, and other outstanding wind and waterproofing qualities. In order to keep your cat secure and comfortable in the event of rain or snow, the feral cat house's bottom has plastic foot covers that stop moisture from soaking in. Suitable and roomy, the interior is furnished with a soft padded floor that makes it a suitable place for your pet to curl up and take a sleep. Number 4. CO-Z Cat Crate Carrier. This CO-Z cat cage carrier is ideal for quick outdoor excursions. You can easily and safely relocate your cat because to its travel-friendly design. A versatile addition to your catio, the sturdy design and breathable mesh material guarantee your cat's comfort whether traveling or spending time outside. Extra large space, 24 inches by 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches in size. Ideal for many or large cats. Pets weighing up to 55 pounds. Cat's car seat and safety guarantee. The carrier has safety buckles that attach to the seat and may be fastened to the safety belt. Additionally, this cat carrier is composed of 600D Oxford fabric and a metal frame. Complete accessories. The package includes a collapsible water bowl and a travel-sized box to address issues with pet poop and eating while traveling. Number 5. Paw Hut Outdoor Cat House. In addition to serving as a catio, the Paw Hut Outdoor Cat House offers multiple outdoor areas for your cats to play or relax. This cat house is safe, made of eco-friendly materials, and has a distinctive look that goes well with gardens or other outside areas. Large cat house with multiple layers. This setup is climbable thanks to 3 jumping platforms. The spacious area gives your pet a bird's eye view and allows them to sit at the top of the world. The roomy area allows several cats to coexist and establish a hiding place where they can have a safe sanctuary. Oversized door. Your pets can simply and unrestrictedly enter the cat cage thanks to the huge front door. They will want to move freely inside the mesh cat enclosure and will find a large door welcoming, just like people do. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.